amazing. And people don't even remember you.
They don't.
Yeah, they just know you now.
They know me now. In fact, there's some people who hadn't seen me in years, and they look at me and they go, Barry, we can't figure it out, because they don't even believe like the hair. They always see it and they don't believe it's real.
Right.
So they're like going, well, wait a second, what's changed about you? And they keep looking, and then usually the ladies, the women, notice. Where'd you know your hair? Because I didn't have this much hair until I was like 27, 28, and I have more hair now than I did when I was 30, and that's when the whole the whole process started. You see the huge bulk at 30, and then it kept going, and I never did anything about it.
So that's important information to tell your story.
Yes.
To other people, and all these little things like people make fun of you for.
Oh yeah.
That's good stuff.
And they do, because they don't think it's real, because they see, and I'm not going to mention the competitor, people doing it, and they might even have hair for a while, then they go, that's not your real hair, because I always say, that's fake, or that's a toupee, or that's that, and I go, this is my hair.
Here's your hair,
yeah. So it's been an amazing journey. I mean, I never thought it would be like this.
Wow. Golly, I when I saw you there at the store the other day, what was that, a few months ago?
Some months ago, yeah.
And it's like, wait a minute. Wait, are you sure it's you?
Yeah.
I mean, you have an awesome outcome. You had
I did. It was more than I could ever even expect. Because when you and I talked, I was missing so much hair. You said, Barry, once we do these 2 days of surgery, we still may have to come back, because I don't know if I can get. I mean, you were totally honest, which I love. And we said, hey, we want to work on the front and over the back. Even though it's still a little thin, it's way more than what I expected.
Exactly.
And what's crazy is as my hair goes longer, as my wife cuts my hair, I keep telling her, don't cut it, don't cut it. I wait till the last minute, because I love when it grows in, because you haven't seen that for all that.